Ever felt overwhelmed by a mountain of invoices waiting to be sent out? You're not alone. Xero can be a lifesaver, but can it handle sending out multiple invoices at once? Stick around, because in this video, we're diving deep into Xero's invoicing features and uncovering the secrets to streamlined invoicing. Running a business involves countless moving parts, and efficient invoicing is crucial for smooth cash flow. Whether you're a freelancer juggling multiple clients, a small business owner managing a growing team, or an entrepreneur scaling your operations, timely and accurate invoicing is non-negotiable. Xero, with its user-friendly interface and powerful features, has become a popular choice for businesses of all sizes. But can this cloud-based accounting software truly help you send out multiple invoices with ease? Let's find out. Understanding the challenge of multiple invoices. Imagine this scenario. You've just completed a batch of projects, delivered a range of services, or sold a variety of products to different clients. Now, you're faced with the daunting task of creating individual invoices for each client, one by one. This can be incredibly time-consuming, especially if you have a large number of clients or if your invoices require detailed information. Not only is manual invoicing time-consuming, but it also increases the risk of errors. Incorrect client information, inaccurate pricing, and missing details can lead to delayed payments, customer dissatisfaction, and even financial losses. Fortunately, Xero is designed to streamline this process and make your life easier. Xero's invoicing capabilities. Xero offers a robust set of invoicing features that can significantly improve your efficiency. Here are some key capabilities. Batch invoicing. This is the hero feature we're all waiting for. Xero allows you to create multiple invoices at once. You can easily import customer data from a spreadsheet, create templates, and then generate invoices in bulk. This saves you countless hours and minimizes the risk of human error. Recurring invoicing. If you have clients who require regular invoicing, such as monthly subscriptions or recurring services, Xero's recurring invoicing feature is a lifesaver. You can set up recurring invoices that are automatically generated and sent out on a schedule, ensuring timely payments and freeing up your time. Customizable templates. Xero provides customizable invoice templates that you can tailor to match your brand and business needs. You can add your logo, adjust colors, and include custom fields to capture specific information relevant to your business. Online invoicing. Send invoices directly to your clients via email with just a few clicks. Xero's online invoicing feature makes it easy for clients to view, download, and pay invoices online through various payment gateways, such as credit cards or bank transfers. Payment reminders. Reduce late payments by setting up automatic payment reminders. Xero can automatically send friendly reminders to clients via email, SMS, or even phone calls, gently nudging them to pay on time. Tracking invoice status. Easily track the status of each invoice. Xero provides a clear overview of which invoices have been sent, viewed, paid, or are overdue. This helps you stay on top of your receivables and identify any potential issues. Step-by-step guide to sending multiple invoices in Xero. Now, let's walk through the process of sending multiple invoices in Xero. 1. Prepare your data. Gather all the necessary client information, including names, addresses, contact details, and the services or products provided. You can organize this information in a spreadsheet for easy import. 2. Create a new invoice. Start by creating a single invoice for one of your clients. This will allow you to customize the template and add any necessary line items. 3. Import customer data. In Xero, you can import customer data directly from a spreadsheet. Xero will automatically create new customer records or update existing ones. 4. Use the batch invoicing feature. Once your customer data is imported, navigate to the batch invoicing option within Xero. Select the customers you want to invoice and choose the relevant invoice template. 5. Review and send. Xero will generate multiple invoices based on your selections. Carefully review each invoice to ensure accuracy, and then send them to your clients via email. Tips for optimizing your invoicing process. Here are some additional tips to optimize your invoicing process in Xero. Create a clear and concise invoice. Keep your invoices clean, professional, and easy to understand. Include all the necessary information, such as invoice number, date, due date, and a detailed description of the services or products provided. Set competitive payment terms. Clearly state your payment terms on each invoice. Offer early payment discounts to incentivize prompt payment. Personalize your invoices. Add a personal touch to your invoices by including a brief thank you note to your clients. Reconcile your invoices regularly. Regularly reconcile your invoices to ensure that all payments have been received and accounted for. Utilize Xero's reporting features. Xero offers a range of reporting features that can provide valuable insights into your invoicing and cash flow. Track key metrics such as days sales outstanding, DSO, invoice aging, and payment trends. Benefits of using Xero for multiple invoices. By leveraging Xero's invoicing features, you can experience numerous benefits, including increased efficiency, save time and effort by automating the invoicing process, improved accuracy, minimize the risk of errors by automating data entry and reducing manual intervention, faster payments, encourage timely payments by sending invoices promptly and providing convenient payment options, better cash flow, improve cash flow by tracking invoices and identifying potential payment delays, enhanced customer relationships, maintain positive customer relationships by providing professional and timely invoices. Sending multiple invoices doesn't have to be a daunting task. With Xero's powerful invoicing features, you can streamline the process, save time, and improve your cash flow. By embracing batch invoicing, recurring invoices, and customizable templates, you can gain a significant edge in managing your finances and growing your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.